present generation because of our past experience. Now, you see, the sense of common interest rather than my country or like that. So therefore, like the G7, this organization, I think very, very encouraging. Now, I always say, expressing, we should think entire 7 billion human being, one human community. So future, we have to think the 7 billion human being rather than my nation, my religious group, like that. So I think if you look past history, there's too much emphasis individual nation, individual religion, and including color. So it creates a lot of problem. Basically, you see, they are selfish, self-centered attitude. Me, and my nation, my group. You see that? Very narrow-minded. The reality, whole world, 7 billion human beings, future, you see, interdependent. So now time come, think humanity, 7 billion human being, and then whole world. And then on top of that, now today, the global warming also now become very serious matter. Some my friend, the global warming, next few decades, it become more serious. So therefore, now the people, the G7, you see people, you see showing interest about the global warming. It is very, very important. Then I always was telling the Tibet, people usually call roof of the world. So water resources, China, Yangtze River, and then India, Brahmaputra, and so on, and then Pakistan. So almost whole sort of Asia, this part of Asia, the water resources come from Tibet. So now Tibetan people also now notice less and less snow. And Dharamsala also, we notice, you see, the amount of also snowfall less and less. So now global warming is really very, very serious. So now is not just idea, but practical level. We are really now facing a lot of problem, global warming. I think global warming, due to global warming, there's too much rain, some area, there's some area dry. So these, you see, people suffer, particularly like in Africa and some area in India and China also, some cases, too much rain. In Africa, some area, too much rain, some area dry. So these, I think, due to global warming, now things are, as a result, the rich people in big hotel, not much serious sort of feeling. But poor people, they really used to face a serious problem. So therefore, now we should pay more attention about global warming.